Hi, this is Missy. Welcome back to part 5 of how to take control in chaotic and turbulent times. Are you sleeping well? I've heard so many people complaining about this now. Because of the staying at home, you might have work to do at home. Plus, you have to look after your children's homeschooling. And people around you in the house starting to grazing all day long. And guess what happened? Everyone is not getting a good sleep and everybody complains. And their routine has thrown out of the window. We need to bring that back. Okay? You still have to set your schedule and you still have to have the principle of only eating during meal times. If you want to snack, all right, 1 biscuit each person, and then put the biscuit tin away so there's no temptation, okay? And besides, you know the benefit of incorporating more vegetarian food in your diet is that you're not going to have more burden by drawing the energy from your body to digest the food that you have, because now you're eating carbohydrate, protein, and beautiful green vegetables. And that won't take up too much energy from your body to digest. So your digestion system should be working quite well now. And that, as a result, will give you a good night's sleep. Now, if you are feeling hungry and wake up in the middle of the night because you feel hungry, think about it. Is that really the case, or is it your brain's playing the trick on you? Because you're just starting to having more vegetarian food, your brain's probably not used to it and thinking, I haven't had certain things in the past, I'm lacking. But that's not the case. Change your mindset, telling your brain, I am feeding my body with good food now. That is enough. So even if you feel like you're changing the diet, you can eat as much as you like. Vegetarian food is not going to put you on weight unless you're eating the wrong thing. Remember we talked about that before? Look deep about the reason why you can't get a good sleep. Digestion system is going to be improved when you eat more vegetarian food. And you can eat as much as you like. Alright? So if you have any more questions about digestion and sleeping, let me know and I'll be quite happy to answer you. So until next time, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.